and today we will be learning about a new topic called Paana. Okay. User is unable to do something. It can be something to do with the user, or it can be with the external influences. But something makes Hindi unique or different or slightly challenging, that it also looks at not the task but how it is done, or not whether the task is done but how it is done. Okay, and as a result of it, when a user is unable to do something, okay, it will also look at whether it is due to the inability of the user or whether it is external influences. Okay, I was unable to see, or I couldn't manage to see, or I couldn't see. If it is something to do with me, I will use sakna. If it is something to do with outside forces, whether it was dark or the lights went out, you are using Paana. So Paana in general can be used both as a main verb or as an auxiliary verb. When you say auxiliary verb, you already have like a main verb here, such as jana, and after that you are using along with Paana. When you use it with the main verb, what happens is you remove this and you are left with ja Paana. Okay, you have dekhna, you use it with Paana. Dekhna is to watch or is to see. Just like this, it becomes dekh Paana. Okay, dekh Paana. Okay, to manage to, so this is to manage to go, or to be able to go, or to manage to see. Okay, pakadna is to catch, like as in to catch a bus is bus pakadna. When you used it with Paana, it's basically you remove the na and you are left with pakad Paana. Pakad Paana. Okay, I'm going to ask some of you to think about any verb, any main verb or action verb, and write it down in the comments what will happen to it when you add Paana to it. So I'm going to ask all of you to please do that, so I just get an understanding whether you're all following it so far or not. Okay, bacha Paana, beautiful. Bacha Paana, bol Paana, wonderful. Seekh Paana, likh Paana, Hindi mein likh Paana. Soch Paana, le Paana, okay. Chal Paana, okay, wonderful. Same thing Marwari, chal Paana. Karwa Paana, okay, I'm getting some complicated as well, wonderful. Chala Paana, beautiful, beautiful, Chala Paana. Dawai le Paana, beautiful, beautiful. Dawai le Paana or dawa le Paana, wonderful. Right? So good to see everyone's participation here.